Oh. TNT gang, what's poppin'? Hey, what's happening, y'all? Hope y'all are having a blessed day. As y'all know, your boy, Tony B, TNT gang.
Oh, come on now, dawg.
Well, the TNT leader.
Lord have mercy.
Well, I guess I'm not the TNT leader. Taj is the TNT leader. But your boy is the finesse king when it comes to these car stuff. When it comes to this car stuff and saving money. So I came across a video and I saw something where somebody was finessing harder than your boy. But hey, I want to try it out and bring it to y'all. So today we are going to try, stay out this rain, and plus try to see if we can clean this door. I thought the door was a little bit worse than this, but we're gonna see if that actual cheap product can do something with this interior. And the cheap product that I'm talking about is this. That Mr. Baldhead, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Is it even? Oh, okay. I was about to say it wasn't even focusing. And they said you can use your favorite interior detail cleaner. That's the only one I got. It's McGuire. And we got a rag. So y'all know what's about to go down. All right, start that intro. Oh my goodness, it's starting to rain on your boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But y'all know, the grind don't stop, baby. The grind don't stop. And man, I need to stop looking at this darn screen up here. I need to look at the lens. I need to look at y'all. Stop looking at I'm looking up here at the darn screen. I need to be looking at y'all. But hopefully y'all can see. I know the lighting ain't as good as it should be, but as y'all can see, this interior is filthy. I'm not gonna do any of the carpets because I got something else to finesse y'all with that. But not y'all, but you know what I'm saying, the finesse. What we're gonna try to do is try to see if we can clean these actual plastic pieces. Hey, to be honest, I don't know if we're gonna see a drastic change, but yeah, we're gonna try it out, y'all. You know what I'm saying? If it doesn't work in here, it may be something in that $300,000. What am I? 300,000 mile Armada out there, if you can see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the rain is taking over the window. But yeah, I'm gonna set y'all up so we can wet up the magic eraser and get to work. Oh man, shut up and just turn the camera off, man. All right, guys, I decided to change Perfect.
Oh, try again.
All right, guys, I decided to change the location. Maybe we can see a little difference with this silver right here.
Psych!
I actually thought this was gonna be a little bit nastier, but hey, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Ideally, you probably wanna vacuum out all this trash that you see right here. But for video purposes, I'm not gonna do it. You should do it, but we're just trying to see if this magic eraser will help you clean your interior for the low. All right, on this box, it says wet, squeeze, and then erase. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this. I'm gonna throw this in the water. We're gonna spray this on here.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Wow. What? What is going on with this bottle? That is not kid friendly, y'all. Look, cut that, man, cut. All right, let's see what this thing do. Up here, it ain't dirty, so I don't know why I'm rubbing this part. Waste of time. Yeet. Yeah, we got a little light up in here. Hey, as y'all can see, we have, hold on, I gotta show y'all a little bit better than that. As y'all can see, we have some boo-boo up here. I don't know how that happened, but we got some nasties up here. And what I'm gonna try to do up here, I'm not gonna use the detail spray because I'm thinking the detail spray may be doing all the work. So what we're going to do, we're gonna use the magic eraser alone up here, and let's see how hard it is to take this debris off up here, this dirt. Ugh, it's sticky too. Ugh. All right, guys, I got y'all in about the worst camera angle that you can be in. And yeah, that's how we do on TNT channel, man. We just go by the seat of our pants. But yeah, let's see if we can wipe this off with just, oh. I'm not rubbing too hard either. Oh. And I'm wiping with my left hand. I don't know if y'all can see that. Probably not. Oh. Oh, so the magic eraser doing it like that? I'm not putting much resistance on it at all, y'all. Not pressing hard. Oh. This might be a detailer's little secret. Wow. Y'all check this out. Can y'all see the difference in that? Wow. Can y'all see the difference in that? The magic eraser, it actually did a good job, even without the detailer. All right, guys, as y'all could see, I think y'all would agree.
Because I spit hot fire.
That the magic eraser did a great job, man. I can't say anything else, man. The actual detailer made it easier to be able to wipe the stuff off, but the magic eraser did all the grunt work. As y'all can see, it's kind of ate up a lot, but I think it worked pretty good. But what I want y'all to do, I want y'all to go down in the comment section, let me know if y'all thought it worked or if y'all done it before and I'm just so late to the game or whatever. But also, I want you to go to my Instagram, TNT_Garage19, and send me a DM of some projects that y'all use this magic eraser with, man. Hey, because I really want to see you guys use the stuff that I give y'all on the channel, just to give y'all an extra boost in, you know, cleaning your cars or just doing whatever with your car. Because working on the car, time is very valuable.
Accurate.
Very valuable. So hey, when you can save time, it's always lit, y'all, always good. But hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure you hit all so you can get all the videos that we drop, because we dropping bangers Monday through Friday, y'all. And on Saturday, we try to do a live stream. So, hey, if you don't want to miss it, make sure you hit the notification bell. All right, guys, hopefully you guys have a great Friday.
What?
What about? All right, guys, hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
Psych!